How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you need to just go with your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, now if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, then you just need simply go with update and update your application. Once you update it, then your problems might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp. Go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. But don't clear your storage. Just go with clear cache, and after clearing your cache, you can restart your device. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is you need to open up your WhatsApp. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, tap on help, and tap on help center. And under the help center, tap on contact us, which is on the bottom. And here you can tell what happened and what is not working. And after writing something, you can just simply go with send, which will be here on the bottom. You will have next option. You can just simply go with next, and you'll be able to send the report to WhatsApp. And within 24 hours, it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.